Introduction. The text is about rubbish and food waste. It explains that a lot of rubbish is thrown away every day. Some rubbish is recycled, but much of it goes to landfill sites where it can harm the environment. Food waste is also a big problem in the world. Around 30% of food produced every year is lost or wasted. This wastes water, energy, time, and money. Rotting food in landfill sites produces harmful greenhouse gases that increase climate change. The text also talks about a special event in Bangkok, Thailand, where chefs prepared free meals using food that is usually thrown away. Organizations like the United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP, Food and Agricultural Organization, FAO, and Oz Harvest work together to spread awareness about food waste. The campaign encouraged people to save food and reduce waste. Celebrity chefs helped by making tasty meals from leftover and rejected food. The article also explains that poor roads, hot weather, and bad packaging cause food to be wasted during transport in Asia-Pacific countries. Summary. The lesson, Rubbish, explains the problem of waste in the world. Every day people throw away many things without thinking about what happens to them later. Some rubbish is recycled, but recycling is sometimes expensive and uses a lot of energy, so not all rubbish is recycled. A large amount of waste is sent to landfill sites. In landfill sites, some rubbish does not break down for many years, while some rubbish decomposes and releases dangerous gases like methane and carbon dioxide. These gases pollute the environment and increase global warming. The text mainly focuses on food waste. According to the United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP, about 30% of food produced every year is wasted or lost. This means that huge amounts of water, electricity, fuel, money, and human effort are wasted too. When food rots in landfill sites, it releases greenhouse gases that contribute to climate change. Because of this serious problem, organizations around the world are trying to reduce food waste. The article describes a special event held in Bangkok, Thailand. At this event, famous chefs and food lovers from Thailand and Australia prepared delicious meals using ingredients that are usually thrown away. They used rejected vegetables, leftover grains, broken rice, fish scraps, rescued mangoes, and old bread to make tasty dishes. The purpose of this event was to show people that food which looks imperfect or leftover food can still be used safely and deliciously instead of being wasted. The event was organized by the United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP, the Food and Agricultural Organization, FAO, and an Australian charity called Oz Harvest. Oz Harvest is famous for saving extra food and giving it to people who need it. The event supported the UN Sustainable Development Goal to reduce global food waste by half before the year 2030. Many celebrity chefs participated in the event. Their popularity helped attract people's attention to the problem of food waste. These chefs designed special menus using extra food collected from farmers and suppliers. One Australian chef, Travis Harvey, even opened Australia's first cafe that used food waste to prepare meals. This showed that wasted food can still be useful and valuable. The article also explains why food waste is common in Asia-Pacific countries. Food is often lost while traveling from farms to cities because roads are poor, the weather is very hot and humid, and packaging is not good enough. As a result, fruits, vegetables, and other food items spoil before reaching consumers. Overall, the lesson teaches that food waste is a serious global problem. People should think carefully before throwing food away. Governments, restaurants, supermarkets, schools, parents, and children can all help reduce food waste by saving leftover food, improving transport and packaging, donating extra food, and spreading awareness. Even small actions can help protect the environment and save resources for the future. Answers of all questions. Talk about. Question: what does the quotation mean? Answer: it means something useless for one person may be valuable for another person. Question: have you ever used anything that someone else threw out? Toys, clothes, Answer: yes, many people reuse old toys, books, clothes, or furniture instead of throwing them away. Comprehension A. Question 1. How many people in Australia benefit from OZA West Think, Eat, Save events? Answer: thousands of people in Australia benefit from these events. Question 2. How does the 18 ton of food wasted harm the planet? Answer: wasted food produces greenhouse gases that increase climate change and pollute the environment. Comprehension B. Question 1. Why do you think words such as rejected, saved, and rescued are used to describe the food instead of food waste? Answer: these words make the food sound useful and valuable instead of useless rubbish. Question 2. What features of news reports are found in this news article? Answer: the article has facts, statistics, names of organizations, quotations, dates, and information about real events. Comprehension C. Question 1. What could be done to reduce food waste in the supply chain between the areas of food production and where the food is consumed? Answer: better roads, improved packaging, proper storage, and faster transport can reduce food waste. Question 2. How do you think celebrity chefs can help the campaign to reduce food waste? Answer: celebrity chefs can spread awareness and encourage people to use leftover food in creative ways. Grammar vocabulary exercises solved. Question: what does the word discarded mean? Answer: it means thrown away or rejected. Question: what does landfill site mean? Answer: a place where rubbish is buried in the ground. Question: what are greenhouse gases? Answer: harmful gases that trap heat in the atmosphere and cause climate change. Question: what does surplus produce mean? Answer: extra food or crops that are not needed. Question: what is meant by food supply chain? Answer: the process of moving food from farms to consumers. Important MCQs with answers. What is the main topic of the lesson? A. Sports. B. Food waste. C. Space travel. D. Computers. Answer: B. Food waste. How much food is wasted every year according to UNEP? A. 10%. B. 20%. C. 30%. D. 50%. Answer: C. 30%. Where does much rubbish go? A. Rivers. B. Landfill sites. C. Forests. D. Oceans. Answer: B. Landfill sites. Which gases are produced by decomposing rubbish? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Methane and carbon dioxide. D. Helium. Answer: C. Methane and carbon dioxide. Which city hosted the food waste event? A. London. B. Sydney. C. Bangkok. D. Karachi. Answer: C. Bangkok. Which organization helped organize the event? A. NASA. B. UNEP. C. FIFA. D. WHO. Answer: B. UNEP. What was the purpose of the event? A. To sell food. B. To reduce food waste awareness. C. To teach cooking. D. To open restaurants. Answer: B. To reduce food waste awareness. What kind of food was used in the meals? A. Fresh imported food. B. Expensive food. C. Discarded and leftover food. D. Frozen food. Answer: C. Discarded and leftover food. What does wonky vegetables mean? A. Perfect vegetables. B. Odd-shaped vegetables. C. Rotten vegetables. D. Frozen vegetables. Answer: B. Odd-shaped vegetables. Which charity supported the campaign? A. Red Cross. B. Oz Harvest. C. UNICEF. D. WWF. Answer: B. Oz Harvest. What is the result of food rotting in landfill sites? A. Clean air. B. Greenhouse gases. C. Fresh water. D. Oxygen. Answer: B. Greenhouse gases. Which country is Oz Harvest from? A. Thailand. B. Pakistan. C. Australia. D. China. Answer, C. Australia. What type of article is this text? A. Fiction. B. Poem. C. News report. D. Drama. Answer, C. News report. What is the meaning of rescued food? A. Food saved from being wasted. B. Burnt food. C. Imported food. D. Fresh food. Answer, A. Food saved from being wasted. What causes food loss in Asia Pacific? A. Snowfall. B. Poor roads. C. Lack of farms. D. Cold weather. Answer, B. Poor roads. What kind of weather spoils food quickly? A. Cold weather. B. Dry weather. C. Hot and humid weather. D. Windy weather. Answer, C. Hot and humid weather. What is recycled rubbish turned into? A. Smoke. B. New products. C. Guess only. D. Nothing. Answer, B. New products. What does landfill mean? A. Water storage. B. A place where waste is buried. C. A food market. D. A school. Answer, B. A place where waste is buried. What is methane? A greenhouse gas. B. A fruit. C. A metal. D. A machine. Answer, A greenhouse gas. What does the quote, "One man's rubbish may be another's treasure," mean? A. Everyone likes rubbish. B. Old things can still be useful. C. Treasure is rubbish. D. Rubbish is expensive. Answer, B. Old things can still be useful. Who prepared meals at the event? A. Farmers. B. Teachers. C. Celebrity chefs. D. Drivers. Answer, C. Celebrity chefs. What did the event try to promote? A. Food selling. B. Food waste awareness. C. New recipes only. D. Tourism. Answer, B. Food waste awareness. Which food item was used in dessert? A. Ice cream. B. Bread pudding. C. Pizza. D. Cake. Answer, B. Bread pudding. What is the UN goal for food waste by 2030? A. Double it. B. Ignore it. C. Halve it. D. Export it. Answer, C. Halve it. What is wasted besides food itself? A. Time and energy. B. Water only. C. Money only. D. Clothes. Answer, A. Time and energy. What type of gases increase climate change? A. Greenhouse gases. B. Oxygen gases. C. Steam gases. D. Nitrogen gases. Answer, A. Greenhouse gases. What can better packaging do? A. Increase waste. B. Protect food. C. Melt food. D. Destroy food. Answer, B. Protect food. What does discarded mean? A. Saved. B. Repaired. C. Thrown away. D. Bought. Answer, C. Thrown away. What was served with broken rice? A. Corn cob tea. B. Juice. C. Coffee. D. Milkshake. Answer, A. Corn cob tea. What is the main message of the lesson? A. Waste more food. B. Protect food and reduce waste. C. Buy expensive food. D. Stop farming. Answer, B. Protect food and reduce waste.